Hey everyone, Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com. I don't tend to do a lot of kind of talking head videos, but I kind of feel like this one is probably well deserved. So it's all to do with giveaways and probably why you're not going to see many from us in the future. Let's do this. So as many of you know, and obviously we have had a huge influx of new subscribers lately, and I'm thankful for that. And the main reason because of that is because we were giving away a $1,000 gaming PC in conjunction with quite a few big brands out there. So Techwear being the main one, we had Cougar, AMD, MSI, AMD, already said AMD, but there was a lot of brands involved, and it takes a lot to actually have a giveaway and to make it run, I guess, successfully and fluidly. Basically, we have to correlate with all of the different brands who are involved in the giveaway, and we have to make sure that everything lines up with what they want to do and what they want to achieve, and obviously the way that we want to do it as well. Now, for the most part, Techwear took care of pretty much everything in terms of speaking to the other partners like AMD, Seagate, and so forth to get the parts and then just send it to us, and we did the build. There was, I guess, a few parts like the 4TB hard drive that I stuck in there, sort of off my own back. And then it all started to go a little bit downhill. So we started running the giveaway, things were all good, and then you see, I don't know, the ungrateful people out there. And I'm guessing a lot of people are actually going to find this video, what's Andy talking about, blah, 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 blah. But I'm hoping some people are going to agree with me that there's a lot of people out there who are just really ungrateful. I mean, when the giveaway first started and the video went live, just scrolling back through the comments, we can see comments along the lines of, I can't believe that you only put this in there, or you only put that in there. Oh my God, for $1,000 I could do this. It's a free flipping PC. We're giving something away for free to one lucky person around the world. Speaking of around the world, the other kind of key comment that we was getting, and I was getting messages on Twitter. We had to disable messages on Facebook. I was getting DMs on Discord. Does this PC ship worldwide? We actually even made a meme that showed me dressed up like sort of Sparta of this PC ships worldwide. And that just went down to the fact that people couldn't be bothered to watch the whole video. And admittedly, it was 30 minutes long. So sue me, I was giving away a PC. I wanted you to watch the whole video of me actually building it. But no, a lot of people obviously didn't want to go down that route. And I'm not tarring everyone with the same brush because there are some really genuine people out there. But a lot of kind of the comments we were getting were trolling and things like that. So every single time someone basically said, does it ship worldwide? Instead of sort of saying, yes, it does, because it did. We were just telling them, have you actually watched the video? Oh, yeah, I did watch the video. Well, if you watched it, you would have known that it did ship worldwide. And those are just the wrong type of people that we want watching our videos, consuming our content, because they're not in it for the right reasons. And that's kind of, led to a lot of internal discussions between ourselves as to, do we really want to carry on running giveaways and getting these toxic type of people sort of, here, there and everywhere? The giveaway ended on Saturday at midnight, I believe it was. And anytime from about 3 minutes after midnight on the Sunday morning onwards, even till today, which is the Tuesday, following kind of the ending of the giveaway itself, I've had people commenting that it's fake, that there is no winner, it was all just a ploy, when is the winner being announced? I had people actually asking when the winner was going to be announced before the giveaway had even ended. And it's just frustrating, it really is, because obviously we have a certain amount of time to allocate to certain things, and I wanted to take that time to make new, fresh content for you guys, and instead I've been having to reply to, people like that, or just going through messages like that to try and find messages that, are important to the business side of things and not just, when does it end? When's this? When's that? This is fake. Oh my God. And for the most part, people are saying it's fake because they didn't win. So we did have a winner. The person has actually emailed us back now, because we don't actually announce the winner until the person replies back to us via email. So we go on to Gleam, that's basically the app that we used. We go on there, we press a button, and it picks a random winner. And we did that, and then we say, right, let's email out to the winner, and they have a certain time frame to actually get back to us to claim their prize. If they don't respond back to us within a certain time frame, then we just randomly pick a winner again. Luckily, this person did get back to us in time. I believe her name was Gemma Marsh, I believe it is. And they were so grateful that they'd won. They couldn't actually believe that they'd won. And yeah, I'm thankful that someone who is that deserving and everything has won, not just one of these competition spammers who's probably just going to stick it on eBay or something like that. And that's kind of, yeah, where things, I guess, make a full circle again. And I've actually had a YouTube comment literally moments before I started filming this video of someone on YouTube called Panda, P4NDA. It's a scam. Nobody even won. I'm unsubbing. That's fine. I don't want you as a subscriber anymore. So I actually commented back a little bit of anger. Don't let the door hit you on the way out. Because I frankly don't want people like that subscribe to me, because they're not going to watch my content. They're not going to consume the content. They're there for completely the wrong reasons. And that's why, I mean, it's come to a lot of internal discussions of what is the point in these giveaways? It just seems like it's more hassle than it's worth. And like I mentioned at the beginning of this, I don't want to tar everyone with the same brush, because not everyone is the same. And we have seen mass amounts of people come into our Discord server, some doing the whole, I'm here for the giveaway, give me a free PC. And we ended up actually banning people like that because, again, wrong mentality. And they were just constantly spamming and spamming and spamming. Am I going to win? I'm going to win. I'm this, I'm that, blah, 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 blah. We've had some other new people in the Discord server who have actually been an asset to the community. So I guess I've got a decision to make, which is either we stop giveaways completely because, frankly, it just doesn't seem worth it for attracting the wrong type of people. Or if we are going to do giveaways, maybe we restrict it solely to Discord. We are in the process of getting a bot made, which will basically reward people who are active on our Discord server. So if you are an active member on Discord, it will put you into a certain user group, or it will rank you a certain way. Then when we actually do run giveaways, only them active users within that user group or that certain ranking will be eligible to actually enter one of the giveaways. And maybe that's the way to do it, because yeah, I mean, it's been great getting an extra 5,000 subscribers, you know, over the course of about 3 weeks, but has it been worth it? I mean, yes, we're about to hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is huge. We've just surpassed 50,000 followers on Twitter, which again is huge, but at what cost? So that's where I am. Sorry, this isn't kind of my usual chirpy video. I know a lot of people kind of, you know, love the fact that when I do videos, I am kind of, you know, very explosive and kind of happy and stuff like that. But I needed to get this off my chest because it's just one of them things where I've literally had to reevaluate the way that we do certain things. And it's quite upsetting. It's quite, you know, it makes you angry. It makes you feel sort of, what is the point? And that's kind of where I'm going to end it, I guess. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. Apart from, I appreciate everyone who did enter the giveaway for the right reasons, people who actually like what we do and our content and want to support us in many different ways. And I appreciate the fact that, you know, you have maybe joined into this to win a PC because, you know, you might have this, but, you know, you didn't join because your aunt's dying and on her deathbed she said, you better win that PC, do it for me. Because yes, we actually did have comments like that as well. For the people who I guess did enter for the wrong reasons, the unsubscribe button is somewhere around on this page, so feel free to click it if you don't agree with what I say, because I'm not going to change, and especially not for a bunch of trolls and people like that out there. So there you go, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know exactly what to do, and I will see you maybe in the next one. If not, good luck to everything you do in life. Cheers. See you later. Bye-bye.